Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS SSO for secure sign-in step by step clearly. To activate AWS Single Sign-On, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type Single Sign-On and select the AWS Single Sign-On service from the drop-down. Once on the AWS SSO dashboard, click on the Enable AWS SSO button. Next, review the information presented about AWS SSO and then click on Enable. After enabling AWS SSO, you will be directed to the Settings page. Here, you'll see options for choosing your identity source. Select either AWS SSO or external identity provider based on your needs. If you choose AWS SSO, you can manage users directly within AWS. If you select external identity provider, follow the setup instructions for integrating with services like Okta or OneLogin. Once you finalize your identity source, navigate to the Users section. Click on Add User to create new users for AWS SSO. Fill in the necessary details and assign them to an appropriate permission set. Next, go to the Applications section. Click on Add Application to configure the applications that users will access. Select from the list of available applications or enter a custom application URL. Configure the necessary settings, including SAML or SCIM configurations if required. Once your application is set up, make sure to assign it to the appropriate users or groups. Now, navigate back to the dashboard to review your SSO configuration. Test the setup by signing in with one of the created users. Ensure that the user can access the assigned application smoothly. If everything works correctly, your AWS SSO setup is complete. You are now ready to manage user access securely with AWS SSO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.